Oh, good. Okay. I think you need to find her another Matchbox car. She doesn't want that. She wants another Matchbox car.
She's not gonna give it back.
Get her a Matchbox car. One from upstairs. Sweetheart, go get one from your room. Open the little drawer, toy box drawer, and get her a Matchbox car. That's the one she wants. Sweetie, then she'll give you this one. Yeah, you have to share that with brother. Brother's gonna bring you another one. Sure, there's a car in your drawer. Whoa.
There is a car.
All right, try to switch it now. No, give her the new one first. Thank you. There you go, see? Now you can both play with the cars. Yeah. Nice job. Is that good, Glory? Yeah. Zoom, zoom.